sources there, like SharePoint, Microsoft Dataverse, SQL. There will be premium connector will be there, right? So we need to buy license for that. And then we can create a responsive design where you can use it in web, tablet, and mobile devices, right? So you can also use the Power Automate integration. Okay, so coming to capability, we can use there is a Canvas app. In the Powers we have a Canvas app, model driven app, right? So based on this our project requirement, we will go with it. Suppose you want to design freely user like a form gallery, so you can go with the Canvas. Model driven automatically generate UI based on your data models and business process in the model driven app. Okay, one of the portal, right? Portal is like, so you create a one website, right? So you can create a portal and you can integrate the Power Apps model driven and there on portal. Okay, and we can also custom connector RESTful API we can connect. So these are, and for common case uses, you can create a dashboard like employee onboarding, inventory management, expense reporting, ticket tool. So based on your business requirement, you can create on that, and you can change the data. Suppose you want to have a data, and that user want to give the comment of for each data, each row. Suppose example, so you can create one a comment column. You need to connect to the form, and user can give the input for particular. If suppose there is any risk, and they can give the comment, and data will be saved in your data source. So based on your requirement, right? So you know that Microsoft Power Platform, we have multiple company Power Apps, Power BI, okay, Power Automate, Power Virtual. So we have a data connected by 500 plus. So can we have a, so AI builder also common. There is the common data services that we have a Dataverse table, right? So by default, which is we can use in the macro model driven mainly. Okay, and the Power Apps also. So Power Apps is a suite of app service connector, okay, and provides a rapid development environment to build custom app for your business needs. So low code already we talk about it is allow user to create app without need for expensive coding knowledge, making it so accessible to wide range of user. So here is other one integration with Microsoft services. Okay, so user interface, it is also user interface allowing user to drag and drop element to create their app. Already we have data connectivity. We can connect multiple sources. We can create REST API also, and platform compatibility. Okay, so you can see in the right side benefit of business intelligence and analytic strategy. So benefit of our so so it is for like citizens and developers. Power is simple, non-technical user can use it, deploy it. Okay, and user can customize their app to suit a specific business requirement, ensuring that application align with organization need. So Power App community training support, these are already we have in Microsoft. They are provided community also. You can connect with. So take the, if you have any, though this is not required. Okay, so already we talk about Power use cases. So here is the custom reporting and analysis. We can integrate Power BI to Power Apps to Power BI, right? So employee productivity app, streamline workflow. Okay, so also there is other feature, custom engagement services. We need to custom CRM solution. It is a we have a, suppose you have a CRM database and you need to connect the Power Apps. So Power Apps allows business to build a custom CRM solution to their specific customer engagement and survey. Feedback survey, you can create app service requests. I have talked about ticket tool you can create. Okay, interactive dashboard, can use the create interactive dashboards and visualize data from various sources. Okay, real-time analytics, we can connect live data and you can monitor your dashboard report. You can connect with okay, so formula, it is a powerful tool in Power Apps that allow user to write a needed formula to control app behavior. So Okay, so already they share one of the PDF, so we can follow the all this. And in that, if there is some missing, I will cover from my side. Like there is some of things are not mentioned in that PDF, so I will add that. So you can at least you can build, you can create a app. You can understand each function, each components. Okay, so how data is storing in the, so we have a limited data we can store in Power Apps up to 2000 records. So what are the other how we can pull all data in Power Apps? Okay, so we need to create pagination, so those things we will talk about. So packing and deploying apps, so and life cycle, so we'll talk about solution. We will create the solution, we can deploy the solution into different environments, so that is called life cycle, right? So using solution lifecycle management. So solution lifecycle management is a tool and process that help in managing the entire life of Power Apps solution. You can deploy your apps in dev to production, dev to test to production, right? So when you there is a when you there is a unmanaged solution, managed solution, right? So those things we will learn in during the session. Thanks. Let do some demo on the Power Apps. So mix.powerapps.com is the URL. Can click on and see. This is a make.powerapp.com. Okay. So right now we have an environment default. Okay. You can see the default environment is business. You can create, go to the Power platform and you can create the environment default dev. Okay. So, okay. So organization, they will provide you dev environment. There you can dev environment in the admin center. Okay, here. So here we have getting some problems. SharePoint list. Nothing I'm getting from here. So something I will check what are the error is there. So these are the environment. Okay. Suppose after then once you select the environment, right now it's in default environment. Okay, that's not issue. So just now I have used one app which is a ticket service based request. We can create like how many tickets, total ticket, new ticket, in progress, close or not. You can explore everything by going here, like start with template. Okay, and just learn, like create one Excel, create one SharePoint list. If you, because right now I once I create SharePoint list, I will tell you how I have added the SharePoint list. So initially go with the Microsoft Excel, create one Excel, blank Excel, and load the data. Okay, so otherwise you can go with the templates. You want to explore everything, so this is a template only. So here you can learn how we can add a form, gallery. Okay, so first of all I need to add data source. So you need to, this is a tree view. Okay, this is a tree view. Don't have a SharePoint site here. I will add the method. So click on ticket in progress, ticket. Okay, so this column they created, or and then type the items. So right now you can see we have a data table that is called ticket. Column name is ticket items, and in that we have a different things there. And one need to, once you insert the ticket, you need to add the table name, that is the data name. So the ticket types is the table. Now the list and you can use the edit form. Source, we have this much column should be there, and that should be blank, only column name in the source. Suppose we have Excel, in that column name you need to provide the column name, data type, column name, submit data type. So and then you need to create make the connection in the apps, and add the edit form, and just provide in the item the your table name. So this list will come here, and once you add the data, suppose anything, something, I want to create some ticket, low, medium, high, something, subject, FZ description, and I want to take filter and can create. So still they are asking some to need to add. Okay, so you can see at the last new ticket. So once you click on the new ticket, you can see just now added I ticket ID 13 RHI high priority created 5 3 2015. So this is a gallery and that is a new form. That one other page when you click on it, so that is fun. So how the formula is working on it in this form, main thing is this is a separate, you can see here they are grouping group the text one text they added separate and they group it they are not using the form. Okay, we can use it the form, but they are after that we need to use the formula create I ticket. So in this that you can see the what is the formula inside it. So for submitting, creating the data, you need to use the submit form is there, pass function is there, update context, update it. There is a three type of variable, two types of variable, right? Global and set variable. And the global variable we can use any screen and set variable update context after the comma keyed by dot honor text. Okay, account name. Okay, with whatever you are selecting account name and after selected priority we have other columns, description whatever you are giving the text, so that one and state, and this is what time you are going to create, so it will capture your text. Okay, they are not going to save your data in your data, so they are storing in the collection, so it will stay in our, you can see here there is a ticket collect one 13 row. Okay, so you can see here one of the, you can see here what in storing, so we have a data is there whatever we are creating ticket, right? So it's storing here in the power apps only, not going data source. When we'll add this two, so you need to create one other final submit. So suppose example user created a ticket but they want to update it next time, so you can create the edit, and you can save that as a draft, so later he can come and again he create a, he can work on same ticket, right? So for that we need to add it in collection, later after final submit you can create the you can save the data in the data source. Okay, so these are see. Okay, navigate function, this is a for the going to which dashboard they are saying the dashboard page, so it will navigate to that screen. So just now I added one template I didn't created, but I know these features. So this is nothing but one of the text and they are providing some formula on that. This is a text box, nothing you can see in the formula in the company which company they are using. We can see the only text one when first only we need to provide the formula. If you know the formula, if it is suppose example it is a data source, we want to show the total, we can use the filter function, the data source filter the data source name. Okay, then they provide the column name equal to that. Okay, then what you want in progress, okay, that will show 5. Count, we can use the count function to count the row how in progress close, so like that. So this is a one configuration for one page, there is multiple page. Okay, so first you need to understand each and everything. So here you can see this is a for displaying only, so in that see everything is like single. So I think this is also separate they're taken, maybe they taken gallery or what, you need to check that. So no, they are taking the separate each component is separate, you can see. You can instead of making like this, you can use the gallery also. Okay, in the gallery we can increase the size this and remaining cells you can. So and if you click on it, what is that, let me see. Yeah, so they are not taking as a gallery, you can create this separate, so you can need to go to insert, you can take the text input display. Okay, input button text input drop down, you can create your own form design instead of doing the using the gallery. Okay, understood. So next page, so here nothing, they are one created one page where you can assign to them. So these are showing the how many progress, this item, the cost. So the data source of is nothing but case status. So after that they provided case status, they is showing the in progress, in hold, and progress. In hold, on hold, and closed. They are using the gallery here. Okay, you can see here gallery. They use the insert the gallery and provide the data source, and now you can see here. Okay, the here is one of all those things like gallery. So this is the app design only. Okay, and if you want to go